Business Credit USA. Business Credit USA is one of the most powerful financial tools available to internship and who want to grow and protect their companies. In the United States, building strong business credit allow a company to access loan, credit cards, and employment financing and withdrawals account without a release completely on a personal credit. Whether someone is starting a small online store, opening a local restaurant, or launching a treat of tech startup, understanding how the business credit work in America can make the difference between slow growth and long-term success. Business credit in the United States is explained from personal credit. While personal credit is tracked by balanced like experience and equality for individual. They business account and track by against that first spectacle and one only operating companies and one of the most will now business credit reporting exists in Dung and Bradstreet, which against business it densest numbers and generate the periodic store. And another important reporting industries is experience business which track commonly credit activity. This against locality collect data about how a business pay its bill, manage, debate the and handle financial objections. In the USA, leaders applying and financial industries institutions reviews business credit reports before applying, approving, financing a strong business credit profile and proposed the slow and that company pays it vendors on the time and manage debate responsibility. This can help scorers better long term. Higher credit limits and lowers interest rate for small businesses. This advantage can significantly reduce operating cost and improve cash flow. One of the other hand, pro business and credit can lead loan details and for high interest charge that make growth difficultly. Two buildings business credit in the United States is company must first establish itself as a legal interest. Most interfere by resenting their business and can lose LLC or cooperating it to separate personal and business liabilities after registering and for the obtaining and employers identifications numbers from the international references. Service is instances for the ENI functions like social security numbers for the business and is it required to open and business bank account apply for credit card. This next step in the buildings business credit USA is opening trade lines with the vendors supplying offer for next 30 accounts, allowing a business to purchase good and pays within 30 days when payments are made on time. The positive and history is protecting and enhance. Like Dunks and Bark Street, over time these records are usually building stores and strong credit profile consists in the important because even one late payment can lower business credit score. Business credit cards are also apply and play a significant role in establishing credit measure financial institutions for such as JPM's Morgan's Cash and Banks of America offers business credit card with regards to cashback and travel benefit. Using these cards, price processing by keeping balance low and paying in full each month, demonstrations, financial disciplining, and many business card report to consumers and conversational credit based transactions, the programs and company credit history. Another credit history is factors in business credit USA is utilizations just like personal credit. Keeping the percentage of available credit used below 30% is generally considered. Health and high utilization signals financial stress will low and utilizations. So establish and control maintaining assist by financial records, feedings, tax and one times on the avoiding excessive debates also tributaries contribute to a positive credit profile. Assess the financials, restore strong business credit in America open doors to various financing, operating and companies with established credit can qualify. This credit from small business admissions and loans which participates and graduated by the Federal government programs managed by the USA Small Business Administration by provide lower interest rate and longer repayment term compared to many transactions and traditional loans belonging to business with good credit. Many also scores employed financing compete. Consumers rules establish state rules, loans and lines or credit to manage researched cash flow change. For startup business, credit can reduce the need for personal graduates in the early stage. Many lenders and require allows to owners to personals qualify generated and graduate business loans. However, the personals as company buildings it on credit history lenders many refills more one on the business financial strength rather than the owner personal's credit scores is repairing protects personal assets and asset and reduce personal financial risk. Monitoring business credit regularly is also critical. In the USA, error on the credit or reports and can occur by enhances informations many harm a company. Borrowing abilities by reviewing reports from banks and bad stress and the financials. They are also regular and montages to also help the breathing and discards. Business credit in the USA is the most important and powerful.